Pocket Option has emerged as a frontrunner in the world of binary options trading, captivating users with its intuitive platform and comprehensive trading tools. This trading platform distinguishes itself by offering a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for traders of all levels. It's not just about placing trades, it's about understanding the leverage of various tools at your disposal. For beginners, grasping the basics of binary options trading, predict whether the price of an asset will rise or fall, is crucial. Knowledge of Pocket Options interface and the strategic use of its tools can significantly enhance trading efficiency, laying a strong foundation for navigating the complexities of binary options trading. In the dynamic world of binary options trading on Pocket Option, adopting a trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives is paramount. Different strategies cater to varying levels of experience, risk appetite, and financial goals. For beginners, it's essential to explore and understand these strategies, ranging from the conservative trend following to the more aggressive 60-second trade strategy. Each strategy comes with its unique set of rules and potential rewards, emphasizing the need for personal alignment. By carefully selecting a strategy that matches their profile, traders can navigate the markets more effectively, balancing potential gains with acceptable risks. Pocket Options demo account stands as an invaluable tool for beginners, offering a risk-free environment to hone trading skills. This feature allows users to immerse themselves in real market conditions without the fear of losing capital. By trading with virtual funds, beginners can explore the nuances of market trends, experiment with various strategies, and gain confidence in their decision-making process. Understanding the impact of geopolitical events, economic indicators, and market sentiment becomes substantially more manageable. Consequently, the demo account not only aids in building a solid trading foundation but also empowers users to identify strategies that best suit their trading style and risk tolerance. Effective risk management is the cornerstone of successful trading on platforms like Pocket Option. It begins with the principle of caution, advising traders to only invest amounts they can afford to lose, thereby safeguarding their financial well-being. Starting with small investments allows traders to dip their toes into the world of binary options without facing daunting losses. Furthermore, employing stop-loss orders is a proactive strategy to cap potential losses, providing a safety net that can help preserve capital. Such measures not only protect traders from significant financial downturns but also instill discipline and promote a healthier trading mindset, emphasizing calculated risk over reckless speculation. The journey of a trader is one of constant learning and adaptation. As markets evolve, so must the strategies and knowledge of those who navigate them. This video emphasizes the critical role of staying informed about market trends and financial news, a practice that can significantly impact trading decisions on platforms like Pocket Option. Leveraging educational resources offered by the platform and engaging with trading forums can provide invaluable insights and foster a community of shared knowledge. These practices encourage a culture of continuous learning, helping traders keep pace with the dynamic nature of markets and refine their strategies for increased success.